Good morning, YouTube. Monday morning, no work today since I had to do my DOT physical like I said last video, but figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a different video. A little shorter video than usual. I'll probably go up today, but me finishing cleaning the truck. I got most of it done already. Got the hood all waxed down, front bumper's done, everything basically from the hood to the cab is done. Besides, I gotta get the windows and mirrors and stuff, and clean the wheels, clean the frame, and then I gotta get up top and get everything cleaned up there. But I figured I'd time lapse some of this stuff and see how it all goes. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Guess we're gonna start up top, get everything cleaned up there. Got all my rags and stuff, which I won't be using that. I'll be using some spray wax, some bug off. The truck's already been fully washed, but some of the bugs you just can't get off, so scrub her a little bit. But wax on, wax off, bug stuff. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so let's start with getting this hood open and getting up top. And I figured before I get started, I should show what I did to the inside. Finished up the dash, got the speedo wrapped, got all that stuff down there wrapped, and I got the top finally done. So everything kind of comes together. I kind of like this. I don't know if what I'm going to do as of with the black yet. I don't know if I want to go back to blue or what, but I'm going to ride it just like this for a little while. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, up top now. Just climb up the motor. I'm gonna put my feet on the mirrors up there and climb my way on up. But you can see while I'm up here, why I'm up here. It's all still dirty, needs to be wiped down, pipes need to be sprayed, and everything. And that's the one thing people don't tell you about owning a nice truck. Scratches up here from something, I don't know what. You gotta get everywhere if you want it to stay nice and keep looking nice. It takes a while to get them clean. Normally takes me a full Saturday, if not a Saturday and a Sunday, to get this whole truck clean. So we're gonna get to wiping all this down, getting all this residue off the truck, and getting these pipes going. Alright, top is done. Nowhere near perfect. It's just wiped down. It's a spot right there that I missed, but I'll go back and get. But she's all wiped down. Stack's all wiped down all the way up top here. So now we get down, get on the visor, start on the visor, windshield, and then get the ladder out and start on the sides of the sleeper and the back of the sleeper. But not bad for just a quick spray wax wipe down. there we go. Back is mostly done. I can't get the middle at the top because I don't have a deck plate yet, so I don't have anywhere to set this ladder to be able to get up there. So once the deck plate comes in, I'll be able to wax what I missed. But sides of the sleeper are done. Everything's all shiny and clean. Well, one thing that I do have to say that a lot of people do, don't forget to wax your frame. Don't forget to clean it, don't forget to wax it. That's the reason why I haven't touched it yet, because I knew I was gonna be up there trying to clean this stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some waterless wash, wipe it down, all the way down the frame, both sides, and then wax it. Keep your frame clean. If your frame's already looking good, you can keep it looking good and keep it pretty clean. So that is the next step. All right, now that the frame's wiped down, just a regular wipe down, no wax yet, I'm gonna, while this is somewhat drying, I'm gonna take my stickers off here, all of them. All the stickers down the side of the frame, so the frame will be completely clean. One over there, and the 3 over there. And if you don't know, the easiest way to do that is with an eraser wheel. 3 of them eraser wheel, a drill, and of course, drill battery. But yeah, we're gonna get these stickers pulled off now. All right, stickers are gone. I'm gonna have to polish that spot out, but stickers are gone. Frame's clean. Besides this little spot, I can't get the eraser wheel in there to get all that out, so I'm gonna get some Goo Gone and take care of that. But now it's time to throw some wax on this frame, make it look all nice, and then start on this side of the sleeper, get it done, and probably start polishing these tanks out and getting the wheels clean. I gotta get the wheels clean too. Forgot about that. Gotta wipe the wheels down. So wipe the wheels down, get this side of the sleeper clean, and polish these tanks out, and we'll be done for the day. I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference on camera. I mean, the frame has its marks and stuff. It's a working truck, but don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference. This side's been done all the way down through, how shiny it is. This side's pretty shiny too, so you probably won't be able to tell the difference, but it definitely gives it a better shine, and it's all smooth, all protected. But yeah, got to get the other side of the frame waxed down. Then I'm gonna change my towels out and start doing the other side of the sleeper. And then after that, we'll probably go to, I don't know, wheels maybe. Yeah, I'll do my wheels because I don't have to polish them out. Just need to be wiped down real good from the water spots, get the water spots out of them. But they just need a wipe down. Then we'll start polishing out the tanks. It'll be the last thing I'll do today. But yeah, let's get back to it.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah.
There we go, all the paint is done. Look at that. Slick, 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 slick. So what you want it to look like. Right there. Glossy, shiny, no watermarks, nothing. That's the way you want it to be. All the paint's done. Like I said, I started this on Saturday, so I did the cab and stuff Saturday and the hood. So all the paint works all waxed up. And now it's time to get to wiping these wheels down, and then to polishing these tanks, which is gonna be fun. It's gonna take forever, but gotta be done. So let's get back to work.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off or get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.
Alright, wheels are done. That's everything with the paint. So now it's time to get her outside. Move the pickup truck over already. It's dirty as ever. But get this outside. Check it. Check around it. Make sure there's no spots that I missed, since I can see better outside. And start getting these tanks polished. So and I also forgot to tell you guys that I lowered these. They were all the way up here, and I moved them down here so they look a lot better, a lot lower ride. But yeah, let's get this thing outside and get to polishing. I ended up redoing that back side of the tank from the time lapse that y'all seen. I decided to go ahead and recut the tank because I tried a little piece. I'll show you. So I did a little piece up here where that square was, where them stickers were. You see it's gone, and I recut that, and I really like how that came out after I cut and buffed it. So I recut this down and rebuffed it. Now I'm waiting on the hand wax to sit in so I can wipe it off. And if I can get the whole tank to look like that, I'll be happy. So, it's looking kind of trash right about now. Which a lot of it's like dirt, but if I can make the whole tank look like that, I'll be very happy. So, we'll see. I'm about to wipe this stuff off now. Let's see what the end product is.
I swing locks and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and
there we go, clear. Very clear compared to that compared to that. So we're gonna get the rest of this tank done and probably get the rest of this other side done before I pick up the camera again. Well, pick up my phone again. I'll probably time lapse the rest of this because I kind of want to get this done so I can get home and figure out what I want to eat. So that's the goal right there, what we're going for. Let's get to it. Oh, still got polish on my face, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that goodness. And I'll probably have this video done today, and the next video will be at the end of the week as usual. But thought I would do a little bit of a cleaning day video of how I keep my truck clean. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.